Welcome back to another video. You're probably watching this because you can't sleep. I have a product here that might help. The Portable Sound Spa. Compact travel sound machine. So if you're having trouble sleeping at night and you can't get to sleep, this thing will help you get to sleep a lot faster. Probably let you sleep a lot longer. This has 6 nature sounds on it. It's compact, lightweight, so it also has a timer built onto this thing. So if you tried to do that blinking really fast and counting sheep at night and you still can't fall asleep, this might do the trick. Just might. Instructions. So this thing runs off 4 AA batteries that are not included, or it has the power adapter for it. And there it is. Look at that. So they got the lightweight right. Compact. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. So it has like little rubber feet on the bottom, or like foam feet I should say, not rubber. So here are the sounds that come on this thing. You have thunder, ocean, brook, summer night, rain, and white noise. A lot of people that I've read and that I've heard like the white noise to fall asleep. Me, I like the running water, the rain. I don't know how you're going to fall asleep to thunder. Maybe, I don't know. Summer nights. I can't fall asleep to crickets. Right on the front here you have your volume. You have your timer. So let's go plug this thing in. Power. That's where your batteries go. Power. It must be rain. So there's the thunder. Let's do some ocean. Brook. See, I could fall asleep to that. And that's white noise. And you already heard the rain. Right on the front you have a timer, and these are all in minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or you can just have it off and have it just running constantly. So I've seen a lot of reviews about this thing, good reviews. A lot of people use this for like babies too. So when they're like having trouble sleeping at night, even young kids, even adults, even me. I'm a young kid and kind of an adult. I'm an adult, but I act like a young kid. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, this thing works. It works. It puts you to sleep. It makes you sleep longer. It just makes you sleep. I give it a thumbs up. So I picked this up at Walmart for $40 maybe, $30. I can't quite remember. It wasn't that much. So I'm going to try this thing out tonight. Hopefully I can go to sleep. Sleep like a baby. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because there's going to be a lot more videos coming. And we'll see you on the next video. I'm going to sleep.